In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock layers in Krita using the easiest method possible. If you've ever clicked on a layer and wondered why you can't paint, move, or edit it, chances are it's locked. The good news is that unlocking a layer in Krita only takes a second once you know where to look. This is a super useful tip for beginners, and it can save you a lot of frustration while you're working on your artwork. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Krita tips and easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look over to the right side of your screen and find the Layers panel. This is where all of your layers are listed, and it's also where you'll control whether a layer is locked or unlocked. If you don't see the panel right away, make sure your workspace is showing the Layers dock. Once you're in the Layers panel, find the specific layer you want to work on. Now look closely at the far right edge of that layer tile row. You should see a small padlock icon. This padlock is what controls the lock state of the layer. If the layer is locked, Krita will block editing actions like painting, erasing, moving, or making changes to that layer. That's helpful when you want to protect something from being edited by mistake. But if you actually need to work on that layer, you'll want to unlock it. To lock the layer, simply click the padlock icon once. You'll notice that it changes to show the layer is protected. But if your goal is to unlock it, just click the padlock icon a second time. That second click removes the lock and restores normal editing access. Once the layer is unlocked, you should be able to paint, transform, and edit it again without any issues. If you have more than one layer locked, repeat the same process for each one. Just go through the Layers panel, find the padlock on the layer row, and toggle it off. It's a very simple system once you know where the icon is, and it's one of the fastest ways to control your workflow inside Krita. If you still can't edit a layer after unlocking it, double check that you selected the correct layer first. Sometimes the issue isn't the lock at all. It's just that you're on the wrong layer. So always confirm the active layer, then make sure the padlock is turned off. That usually solves the problem immediately, and that's it. Now you know how to unlock layers in Krita using the padlock icon in the Layers panel. This is one of those small skills that makes a big difference when you're learning digital art software. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Krita tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.